familiar territory for me. My grandma used to live in the house over there. And then when my grandma used to live in the house across the street, when that one got torn down, she was living here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Down the driveway.
Yeah, me too. I think since you bring stuff in, you need to get rid of some.
Oh, sorry about that. You're good. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Tell Andy I'm gonna buy a bike.
Yeah. He'll come back and I'll be in the brain.
Yeah, I know. Oh man. Alright, I'll swing by again. Y'all have a good one.
You too. Hey, I still have 10 out
I think these will be worth oiling up. They're Justin boots.
Could be. Depends on the price.
I need that. I'm gonna get both of them.
there. There you go. Thank you.
Let me get both of those.
Yep, I'll put that stuff. Yes, he's got no. Go for it.
Yeah.
What you got on that camera?
Yeah, man. For our channel.
Some leather conditioner.
No, I keep it down so you can see all this.
You can have that if you want.
Ready, go. Whoa. Come on, man.
It wasn't really a real one.
Wasn't a real big one, huh?
It wasn't a real one because I can't jump off of the ground.
I'm just gonna go.
Push around to.
Care Bear Cousins. Who's it by?
It's all of in. It's lamb's wool. And then they have this one, it's just regular wool.
If you want to look it up real quick. That's what I'm saying. I just know we're not fast on clothing.
$30.
There we go. Yeah, I was like, I think we have a Walkman that doesn't have a headset. And it's a Sony. That's 50 cents. So. Alright, what about these Care Bear Cousins?
Mama,
So, what size do you think this is? 6 inch, 7 inch?
Yeah, that's small.
They're both small. I think they're worth it to lot together.
Okay. Are they like
Yeah. For that one being yellow.
for the whole or just?
Yep. What? Sorry. Hello. It's familiar territory for me. My grandma used to live in the house over there. And then when
What?
my grandma used to live in the house across the street, when that one got torn down, she was living here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is close to home.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hi.
this is a big blue house right over here. So
Okay. I remember that house.
yeah, Janice.
Yes.
And she worked down at the fire station and stuff. Yeah.
Any of this, just you can ask prices. Everything's negotiable.
Okay.
Over on that side, though,
Yeah.
if you grab a Dollar General bag and fill it, the
fill
whole
it up.
bag is $5.
Awesome.
Okay? Then the whole house is open.
Okay.
Everything in the house is for sale.
All right.
Everything. The furniture and all.
Everything.
The house is also for sale.
I'll hand you this. I'm gonna look inside.
Right, go right in the back.
I'm gonna look
little
inside.
porch
You don't wanna take
area.
this?
Uh-huh.
In case
Oh.
you find something inside?
Okay.
Yeah.
They got stuff up top. I was looking at some of it. Cohen, you gonna stay out here with Mom?
Anything and everything.
Oh, okay.
You gotta look through it all. It's a lot of stuff.
Oh, my goodness.
This is not all of it. We will be back on the 9th and 10th.
Jane had a baby.
Oh, wow. Isn't it? Yes. Oh, my goodness. Homemade.
That was adorable. Look, you can tell it's an old house. Look where you used to put the phones. People don't even know what that is.
Sorry about
Well,
that.
that's okay. We're looking. We're looking.
Right. Seeing what's in here.
Looks good. Kitchen wisdom. Library. Kitchen wisdom library. Big bar.
throw them back. I don't know where we sell them. So I don't know where we can sell them.
Is it the one?
Look at snowing, Dad.
It's 2 of them. It's 3 of them. I have to look them up.
Remember your Froggy goes to Grandma's house? We have a Froggy goes to school.
They put me in the zoo. Big honey hunt, big honey hunt, big honey hunt, little black. A pony. Snow. It feels like it, but let's see. Mm-hmm.
I don't remember that. It's to make a climber. Dad, look. That is this cool.
Put them back. Or I put your tic-tac-toe board away.
Where?
Put them back.
Okay, right here.
That's good. No. Whoa. Come again, pelican. Yeah. And then you can tell by the age of them. Look at this shoehorn. I don't know how to get a good depiction. Pretty unique. Oh yeah, just do this. I went ahead. Just looks so good.
Oh wow, that looks cool.
Looks like it's in such good shape. Brownie Hawkeye.
This one is one there's another time. It's going everywhere.
I could probably put these blocks back. That was gonna be a desperation buy.
Yeah, I mean, when they first started here and had to do the attic and all that kind of crap. I mean, hi, the air is on, but you know, you up in an attic for
How's it going?
5 hours.
Hey, how are you?
Just
Hello.
Inside, and there's a little.
There's a little
garage.
shed out here and everything else is in the house.
all right. Thank you.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness, look at those glittering skies.
Those are cool. These little pig things are cool. I don't know what they are. Is that your chapstick, dude? Come on. Here's the child. Show me no. Watch out, Cohen. Cohen. Don't crawl like that, buddy. People are walking around. Yeah, I was gonna see. Empty.
I think so.
Turn out the model in the back.
I'm good.
CFS W304. Just a box. Clark's. Clark's.
I see stuff, and you know, I mean, I see a lot of everything, and I have a list. So text me what you're looking for and
Yeah.
give me a picture of it. It'll help me to remember.
Okay.
You know, 'cause somebody
Right here.
last night
I'll
said,
swap bags with you.
No, I want to hold the gun.
No.
Why?
Because it said so. Yeah, it's a 1982, like, can't find any of them.
Okay.
And then this is to show MASH, little die cast. It's like $13. I think both of those are a quarter. All right, everybody. So this is the next day. We got a lot of stuff this weekend, but wanted to show you what we got at those few estate sales. And guess what? It was another rainy day pickup. It did clear up a little bit later, but a lot of the garage sales canceled. You got to see some of that footage. I mean, Mrs. Flips, we did a few that were like in a garage here or there.
Yeah.
Church sale indoors, which is good. And then some walk-through estate sales.
Mm-hmm.
So we just want to show you what we paid less than $40 for. Because I even snuck out a little later, not really sneaking out. Mrs. Flips had a good dinner, and me and Five Flips didn't film it. We only picked up 2 things at a Goodwill, and we had a fun father-son night. It was a lot of fun. But we just want to cover with you what we spent under $40, okay? $40 checking out all these places and found some really good finds. So the very first sale that we went to, we picked up on these were the Justin boots. And Mrs. Flips snagged these. She goes, I'm not sure. Little leather conditioner, but these things with this little like tassel here, going anywhere from like $35 to $60. There were no holes, nothing like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little bit of conditioner. They will do really well.
Yep.
Really good style to them.
Yep. We only paid $5 for those.
Yeah, not too bad. This is going to be in no particular order because the sales were all over the place. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way. These are our last little Goodwill pickups. You know, if Chris Cajun Reseller's watching, yes, these are Squishmallows.
Already know.
Francesca, the little Valentine's edition, and this little pink octopus. It was really cool.
Purple.
Purple. Sorry, wrong color. I'll drop it in here just because this is big and to get out of the way. $3. This is a child seat bike attachment.
Mm-hmm.
Ibert bike. We looked this up. What, $35, $40?
Yeah.
Easy to clean. It's got a few little spots, but all the attachments are there.
Mm-hmm.
Bigger item, but we have shipped out blow molds and everything else.
Yeah.
So
Yep. And as you
$3
see, $3.
into 30. Like I said, if we get not 30, 40, that would pay for this whole haul, which we love doing that kind of stuff. Let me go to this was at the church sale.
Mm-hmm.
LL Bean.
Yeah. That tag says 100% lamb's
wool. This was a last minute pickup. Mrs. Flips saw it. I think about $30 on that.
Mm-hmm.
This was at one of the estate sales.
Yes.
Look at the condition.
Yep. So it's a Sears pressure cooker. Nice, pretty green. But it's super, like, it's clean. It's got the
all the paperwork.
Manual and all that good stuff. Paid $10 at one of the estate sales for that.
Goes for like $50, I think, right?
I think on like the low end $50. I mean, they're kind of anywhere from maybe $40 up to like $75. But that one has a manual, so I think it'll go on the higher end.
The Care Bear Cousins. We're gonna lot these together. These were only like
I think they're like
cents.
50 cents a piece or something.
So putting these together, we'll get about $20. You saw these cups here.
Yeah, those are at one of the estate sales too. They're old McDonald's cups, and I think it was 50 cents for all 4.
Yeah.
I only grabbed them because we have actually some other McDonald's cups.
We might lot them all together.
We might just lot them all together because they're not going to go for a lot.
1978.
But these are different than the ones that we had, so we figured maybe just a big lot of McDonald's cups would be kind of cool.
Picked up these Sony headphones because we do find Walkmans. I think we have a Walkman that I don't have headphones for. So really good if you find these accessories, especially the Sony ones. I'll test them to make sure they're working. Wasn't bad for a 50-cent investment. Right. We throw this in kind of a drawer that's accessory pieces. But I think I already have a Walkman that this will go to, which takes out a Walkman up to like $30, $35. So little 50-cent pickup. I just got this because it was too cool. It says MASH helicopter. It does sell for like $12, but it's a little die cast. I got this for $25 at an estate sale. You picked up
Bob the Tomato. So
with tags.
Yep, with tags. He'll go for about $15. But what is great that we've mentioned before, if you take your kids, they'll throw in stuff like this for free because they think that it's for your kids.
Yeah. She found this and they said, "Oh, he can just have it."
He can have it, and I'm like, "Thank you."
He doesn't know who Bob the Tomato is. Some more really good pickups at that last estate sale. Really, really good. we have this Tupperware set.
It's a canister set, so it's got all four canisters
Yes.
in there.
This was only $1.
Yeah,
Do you
like,
remember?
they
what
don't
this
go
would
for
bring
huge
in?
money. I want to say like $25 to $30, so
Yeah.
not crazy, but you know, Tupperware brand is good if you can get it at the right price. So $1 for all of that is worth it, in my opinion.
Look at how beautiful this Polaroid camera
That's
looks.
so cool.
They made this one in the all black and the white. I think this one does like $25, $30. I think she charges $3 or $5.
I think
Wasn't
I
anything
really
bad.
think she charges like $1 for everything.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
I think everything was, or she charges $3 for those.
She said I sold another pair
Here
for
$3.
$3.
So
These were really, really cool, in incredible shape with the case.
yep, binoculars.
It goes for about $35 with the case. They were just small, unique, and it has a case. That's just an easy lister. We're gonna get into some goodies here in a second. This dog-headed shoehorn.
Yeah.
She charged $1.
Yeah, it just looked
I
really
think
cool.
it was like $25 to $30. Another really cool find.
Really unique.
If you saw the video, we thought we hit the gold mine with Dr. Seuss. But out of all the ones we looked up, these would bring in the most money. Now you see some different ages. I think this book, don't hold me to it because it's been a day, I want to say like $12 to $14 a copy. She was doing these 3 for $1.
Yep.
But it caused me to go, well, let's see what other books they have. This is another more so rare one, about 14 bucks. And I was seeing this kind of like, this company that was making these styles. This is Georgie to the Rescue. Another one that's got some low listing numbers. Sales were kind of all over the place, but I was like, it might be 30 bucks. But then these here, this is why you just check them all out. Scan them all. Come Again Pelican, we have 2 copies. I think the last solds on these were $45 a piece.
Yeah.
Now we'll go through, make sure, but all the pages look great. We'll make sure it's not colored on or anything like that. But you're looking at almost $100 in these 2 books. So like I said, all in all,
Yeah, all of this
$40.
stuff for $40.
a diverse,
Yeah, and
Group
10
of
of it
things.
was that
yeah.
pressure cooker, so everything else was $30.
Yeah, we did really, really good on this haul. We're just finding great stuff. Hey, I give it all up to my wife. I'm finding stuff. She's in the other room listing stuff. You know, we're like, I think we could cover the map really good. But we love going out and doing this together, you know. And even Little Five Flips is just running around finding cool stuff. Half the time he finds a toy and he plays with it. But it's okay. He loved looking through the books and having that kind of fun. So we just wanted to bring you a few more items that you can find and flip and have a great time doing this. It's just so much fun being able to do this as a family and to go out here and make some great money. Only $40, people. $40 can turn into some pretty good profit. So hope you learned something today. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Go out there and make the world a better place with a sale.
And a smile.
And we'll see you again real soon.